Yeah, that means you did a good job.
That means it actually came off.
What happened?
This fell off in there.
Oh, we'll get it.
Do you want this? Does this come all off?
No, just open it up. You're fine right now.
61, the Falcons had
Yeah,
their
that
own
even.
They were the small.
Let's
I
get
thought it was all attached.
let's get it all out of there for now, and then we'll go from there. We'll find what we need. It's fine.
actually this engine.
Okay,
What did you call that?
that's the pet cock.
Pet
This one
cock.
doesn't come out.
It doesn't have to. No, they stay in the
This
head.
one.
Go ahead and lift her off.
Take her off, guys. Woo! There's more Coke in there than. Should I make a Whitney Houston joke or no?
Now,
No. Pass? Too soon. Pass? Too soon? Okay. So who else OD'd of Coke that we can make fun of? Just kidding. That's called oil Coke. When oil gets hot, it cokes up and gets sludgy. Turbochargers do that a lot too.
I am.
Did you say? Did you tell me to smell the Coke?
Now, is that, hold that wire on hold the yellow wire. Now, on the battery there. Just hold it on the
That
battery.
one.
That one.
Watch this. You guys want to see something cool?
This is so cool.
Hold it down.
Hold it on there.
Hold it
Hold
down.
it on there. You got to keep it on there. You might want to put your finger on it.
Yeah, you won't get shocked.
And go ahead and
Much.
start it.
Somebody push the
Push the
button.
button.
What do you think of that, boys?
Wait a minute. Let's do this.
Gotta keep your finger on it.
Okay, go.
Look.
There you go. So now the engine's running. You can see how the valves actuate.
That's the magic right there, guys.
That's it.
Push rods are on this side.
Yes, sir.
Push rods, and these are solid lifters now, and you can tell because you see this little guy right here. It's got a nut
Yeah.
and a spot for a wrench. So you adjust. You end up adjusting these valves. One of these is ticking. I don't know which one it is. It may be the fuel pump. Now,
You almost killed it with
notice-
your arm there, bud.
What?
You almost killed it with your arm there when you
Oh.
crossed over the car.
That's what that was.
That's like the choke.
So if you notice, right here, you'll notice we've got oil, right? The oil is being pumped up into the rocker arm, and then it works its way down to these little guys there. It also works its way back in here. And if you go ahead and even touch one of these, remember I was telling you how the lifters are concave? If you touch one of these, you can feel it actually rotate.
It's okay.
You feel it?
What you're feeling is the push rods are rotating.
Correct.
They don't rotate, then
Isn't that wild? Oh, hi!
Allie made it! Yay!
So yeah, so that's why these things turn on a regular basis. So they turn a lot. When they stop turning, that's a bad thing. That's what wipes out the cam. So anyway, so what we're going to do next is we're going to take these guys off right here. We're going to take all of these off. And then we're going to use compressed air to hold the valves up, and we're going to do one cylinder at a time. We're going to change the valve guide seals. So you can turn it off.
Go ahead and let go of the yellow. Nice job with the ignition switch.
Well done.
Well
Okay.
done, group.
So what we want to do next is I want somebody to take these, I think, are 5/8.
They are.
So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Now I want you to point out when you look at a rocker shaft motor, these towers are always located between the intake and the exhaust valve, and this is to make sure that it's sturdy. So there's a cylinder here, cylinder here, and so on and so on and so on. So that's why that is the way it is. And what you're going to do next is take this off so that we can start putting air to the valves and change the seals. So I need somebody to take this off.
Let me get a 5/8 socket. And may I recommend, I don't know about you, Chuck, when you take one off, but I always start at the center and work my way out to spread it. Because if you pop this off and this off and this off, by the time you get over here, this one's going to be like, what the fuck you doing? And it's going to go. and
So
crack.
are they all the same? Like do you have to, or are they all different?
They all get torqued to the same, and then you gotta
So do you do like
spread
this
it.
one, then that one, then that one, then that
Yeah,
one?
work your way out like a circle.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So you can just loosen them all. And then
You
take
loosen them all up a little bit, and
Okay.
then pull them. Yeah,
Okay. 5/8
Yep.
coming.
out. Work your way on the way out, and then when you torque them, do the same thing. And you gotta make sure you get all your push rods in. But yeah, we're gonna be all right. Somebody get the socket.